Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today we are going to face a problem that almost every English learner knows. You study hard. You learn grammar. You learn vocabulary. But then you listen to someone with a strong accent, and suddenly you feel lost. You hear the words, but they sound strange, different, fast, and you think, why can't I understand? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many learners feel shy, nervous, even embarrassed when they cannot follow different accents. But here is the truth. Accents are not your enemy. They are just another part of English. And today, I am going to share with you 5 powerful secrets that will help you understand any English accent with confidence. Let's begin with the first secret, understanding where the accent comes from. English is not just one language. It is spoken in many countries, and every place has its own music, its own sound. In the UK, you can hear received pronunciation, often called BBC English. But in Liverpool, you hear Scouse, and in London, you might hear Cockney. In America, you have the New York accent, the Southern accent, the Midwestern accent, and many more. And in Australia, the vowels change, and the rhythm is different. So before you panic, first ask yourself, where is this accent from? When you know the origin, you can prepare your ear for the special sounds of that region. This knowledge gives you power. The second secret is to pay attention to vowels. Vowels are the heart of an accent. Small changes in vowels make a big difference in sound. In British English, words like bath and dance have a longer open A sound. In American English, the A is shorter and the R is often stronger. In Australian English, words like mate sound more like myet. These changes can confuse you at first, but once you train your ear, you will hear the pattern. So when you listen, focus on vowels, repeat them, copy them, record yourself. This practice will make accents much easier to understand. The third secret is rhythm and intonation. Every accent has its own music. In American English, the rhythm is steady, with clear stress on certain words. In British English, the intonation rises and falls, like a song. In Australian English, many sentences rise at the end, almost like a question. If you only listen to the words, you might get lost. But if you listen to the rhythm, you can catch the meaning. Try to feel the music of the accent. Notice when the voice goes up or down. Notice which words are stressed. This will guide you, even if you don't catch every single word. The fourth secret is practice. I know, it sounds simple. But this is the step many learners avoid. If an accent feels difficult, you may think, I don't like it, I'll just avoid it. But the truth is, the more you listen, the easier it becomes. So pick an accent that challenges you. Maybe it's British, maybe it's American, maybe it's Australian. Then listen to it every day. Watch shows, movies, YouTube channels. Slow down the playback speed if you need to. Repeat what you hear. At first it feels strange, but after a week, a month, 2 months, your brain adjusts. It becomes normal. You understand more and more. This is the power of immersion. And now, the fifth secret. Use context. Even native speakers do not understand every single word in every conversation. That's normal. What helps them is context. If you hear someone in a restaurant say something, you know it's probably about food. If you hear someone at the airport, you know the topic is probably flights, luggage, or boarding. Context helps you fill in the gaps. Look at body language. Look at facial expressions. Listen for repeated words. If you miss one word, don't stop. Keep listening. The meaning will come. Remember, understanding is not about 100% perfection. It's about catching the main idea. So let us review. The 5 secrets to mastering English accents are simple but powerful. First, know where the accent comes from. Second, focus on vowels. Third, feel the rhythm and intonation. Fourth, practice with immersion. And fifth, use context to fill the gaps. If you follow these steps, accents will no longer scare you. Instead, they will become interesting, even exciting, because each accent is a new window into English culture. Now I want to challenge you. Think about the accent you find most difficult. Maybe it's Scottish, maybe it's Southern American, maybe it's Australian. For the next week, listen to that accent every day for just 10 minutes. Do not worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen, repeat, and let your ear grow. I promise with time, it will become easier. Remember, my friends, English is not just one accent. It is many, each with its own unique rhythm, tone, and charm. English is a global language, spoken by millions of people in various corners of the world, each adding their own cultural flavor. The beauty of this is that no matter where you're from, you can connect with others, learn from different perspectives, and enrich your understanding of the world. And here's something important. You don't need to be perfect to understand. Perfection is not the goal. Communication is. You don't need flawless pronunciation or an impeccable accent. What truly matters is your ability to connect, to understand, and to be understood. The key to success is patience. Be kind to yourself on this journey. Every word you hear, every sentence you speak, is a victory in itself. You need practice, yes, but don't forget, you need courage too. Courage to make mistakes, courage to try again, and courage to listen, even when it seems difficult. You might not understand everything at first, but that's okay. Each time you listen, your ear gets stronger. Every time you engage, your confidence grows. And slowly but surely, you will notice that the English language is no longer as intimidating as it once was. So, keep going. Never stop pushing yourself to understand more, to listen to more accents, to speak more freely. And know this. With every step you take, you're not just learning English, you're building a bridge to the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am incredibly proud of you for investing in yourself, for choosing to be better, for choosing to grow. The effort you put in today will pay off in ways you can't even imagine. You are learning. You are growing. And you are so much closer to mastering English conversations and accents than you were yesterday. If you enjoyed this lesson and feel inspired, share it with a friend who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more. And in the comments below, let me know. Which accent do you find the most challenging to understand? Let's work together to tackle it. I'm here to help. Until next time, remember this. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Every journey begins with a single step, and you are taking that step every day. Language is not a race. It is a journey of discovery and connection. And every step you take brings you closer to success. So don't rush, enjoy the ride, and celebrate your progress. Bye for now, and see you soon.